Tolomatic, the leading supplier of linear motion and industrial automation products to the manufacturing industry.
We look for in our suppliers an ability to have products that are innovative. It's important for us as we innovate our products and grow our technologies to have suppliers that are also evolving and growing the technologies at pace or ahead of pace of the market. We have a long history with Tolomatic, from our early days on our first band cylinders to some of the systems and servo-driven and drive systems that you'll see on the equipment today with Tolomatic products that have evolved through the evolution of technology for the market. But most important, as we continually stress here at Barry-Wehmiller, is the people and the people-centric culture. Really, a relationship is people, right? It's not products.
To us, innovation isn't just a marketing phrase. It's the way we do business every day. We bring a fresh eye to every project, whether it's an off-the-shelf order or a whole new product from a blank sheet of paper. That's our commitment to you.
It's what you hear and what you see when you go to Tolomatic, right? It's what they talk about, it's what they say they hold near and dear to their heart, but they truly walk the walk. The commitment to the customer, the commitment to product development, the commitment to not resting on your laurels or standing still and just thinking that what got you here today will get you there tomorrow is what we look for. And I think Tolomatic truly believes that. Their commitment to the customer is unmatched. One of the neat things about Tolomatic is they bring the same approach to every opportunity. It isn't just, I see this approach today because this opportunity is really large or really sexy, and tomorrow it's a different company that you're dealing with. It's the same approach every time. As long as they commit to continue to do that and then back it up with action, they're the right company to be partnered with.
Sometimes even cutting cookies isn't a cookie-cutter business. Often our customers need specific modifications, enhanced features, or even whole new custom products. Our sales team is committed to working with you to help you define your application requirements and discover the specific things that will make a difference on your bottom line. Then we engage the right resources in our company, from engineering to manufacturing, to testing and QC, to work with you to create the most effective solution for your business.
Yeah, I've worked with Tolomatic for over 20 years now. One of the easiest companies to work with. They understand the needs of the market and the needs of the customer. Another huge aspect that Tolomatic brings to the table is the ability to adapt their product to any other manufacturer's motors and drives. We are oftentimes dictated by our customers and clients what brand or what manufacturer we're required to use for motors and drives, and they make it very easy to adapt whatever brand that might be to their products. That's not necessarily the case for most other manufacturers out there. So that takes a huge burden and a huge task off of our design engineers and having to come up with custom motor mounts and things like that. Tolomatic is a genuine pleasure to work with.
That's our promise to you. Innovation, new products that set the standards in automation. Commitment. That means what you're buying from us isn't just a product or a service, it's a relationship. Reliability. We've been here for 60 years and will be here for 60 more, delivering the best automation products in the industry. Tolomatic.